Welcome back to any video fans. Today I'm going to tell about how can you unpair earphones in Realme phone guys. You want to unpair guys your earphones in Realme phone, so guys you can unpair it. In this video guys I'm going to tell about how can you unpair it. So first of all friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos guys. So guys now time to start video fans. First of all open your phone setting. So guys we will on it. Guys we will have to come on Bluetooth setting, click here. Guys you want to unpair your earphones, so guys you can unpair. So guys how? Guys press it and guys you can see unpair option. So guys click on unpair. So guys your earphone will unpair automatic. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair earphones in Realme phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.